Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to AnkiNish Creations. Today's video is a WARLI painting on a bag. I love WARLI painting and you guys have always loved WARLI art DIYs on my channel. Here I'm sharing a beautiful recreation of WARLI pot painting by Shravan. Thank you so much for sharing it with me, and now let's get started with the video. For this video, I'm using this black bag, acrylic paints, and a foam brush and a small size pointed brush. I'm going to be painting on the area which has green and white print on it, and I'm applying white acrylic paint using my foam brush. But first we must apply tape all around the edges where we want to paint so that we have clean edges at the end. I forgot to apply it first, so applying it now. And then I'll finish my white base first and then we'll move on to the next color. I'll let this white base dry completely and then I'll use shade of green and pink color to give my colorful background. Once we are done with this, I'll let it dry and then we'll remove the tape. Covering some white smudges with black fabric marker. Now I'm drawing my WARLIs and other objects with pencil first, and then I'll fill it in with black acrylic paint. If you wanna send me your recreation, send them on my Instagram, Facebook, or you can send them on my email. All the links are given in the description box below. Here I'm using the back side of the same brush for making dots. Recently I have shared a dot mandal painting where I have used no dotting tools. So you can check that out. I'll link that video in the description box below. And with this little design, we are done with the WARLI painting on a bag. Did you like it? I really like it. It gives such a bright and colorful, cheerful feeling. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you all like it. Hit that like button if you do and subscribe if you haven't already. We are about to reach 20k subscribers. Let us reach there soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Love being creative.